Welcome to the Java install, the first part of the complete Android Studio install for the course. Do please make sure you install Java or update your Java before installing Android Studio. It makes the process much easier for you. Where I am here is the Oracle Java site. I will put this link in the course resources area. This is where we need the JDK. Currently it is JDK 8 update 60. That changes. Java updates frequently. So once you get here, go ahead and click on the JDK and you will see a list of Java SE development kits 8 update 60. You do have to accept the license agreement. And then once you've accepted it, please select your system. Mac users, of course, you have one choice. That's fine. It's a DMG file. For Windows users, you have two choices. You have x86 for the 386 or x64 for 64-bit versus 32-bit. Depending on your system, choose your install. If you already have Java installed of one or the other, stay with that. You don't need to change it. 64-bit works a bit better. To know which one you have, simply go to your computer and do properties, and you will see system type under systems. It'll say 64-bit. If you have 64-bit, please do so. If not, go with 32-bit. So I'm going to select my 64-bit, click it, and then start the download. Once it's downloaded, we'll be back. Okay, I've downloaded the JDK. I also downloaded Android, but I'll show you that in a separate video. So you go ahead, and once you have it, go ahead and double click to install it. You will have to allow it to run with admin rights. And then it goes, and now it's collecting more data off the internet, so you do need a connection for this install. The same with the Android install. You do need an active internet connection. Okay, this is the first screen that you will receive. Welcome us to the installer. I'll hit next. I usually select all the tools. Notice it's in Program Files, Java, JDK 1.8, update 60. Leave it at the default. It makes it easier for Android Studio to find. We hit next, and now it's going to go through and download files and look at your system. Okay, now that it's downloaded everything, it will ask us what the destination folder. We want to keep that the same. Once I hit next, it will start the Java install. Usually this is the screen you'll get. Sometimes they add a separate screen to see if you want some software. Just don't accept that. It's usually McAfee or something like that. And then we just let it go through the install, and it may take a little while depending on the speed of your system. Okay, we now see the successful install. The next steps just take you to the website. You don't really need that, and just hit close. To see if it's installed and running as you want, go to your control panel under Programs, and you'll now have a Java program. You click that, and it pops open the Java control panel. It tells us any management about our program, security. I would keep it at high. That's the default. Very high is fine. You don't really need Java content in the browser, but you may already have that set up. Okay, so basically that's it. If you hit About, you'll see that it's version 8 update 60, and this is actually now how you'll be able to update your Java. So that ends our Java install. Mac users, it should be about the same. There may be a separate Java file you need to download. I'll put the link in e-learning just to make sure you have it. I have had to use that on a Mac a few months ago, and you used to, but they're trying to stop that being needed.